Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is how to insert an image into another image in Photoshop. First, you want to start with your quick selection tool. You can use the keyboard shortcut W and select the subject of the image that you want to use to put into your other image. I am using the body bomb here. Then you want to switch to your move tool, shortcut V, and drag that into the picture that you want to put your product in. I chose this picture with leaves because I wanted the leaves, or better yet, I wanted the body bomb to look like it was sitting in the leaves. So that's what we're gonna pretty much make today. Then I cropped it using a 1:1 ratio so I could pretty much make the product the subject of this image. So now you want to just duplicate your background layer. So my background layer is the picture of the leaves. Duplicate that layer and then put that layer on top of the subject of your image. Afterwards, select the new layer and start erasing wherever you don't want to be in the photo when you're done. So I'm making a rough kind of cutout of the leaves, so I'm only leaving the leaves that I want to be there, and everything else I'm gonna remove. And then in the next step, the next couple of steps, we're gonna refine the way the leaves look in front of the Buzz Off body bomb. Okay, so step 3 is editing my photo. Pretty much the goal here is to make the product shot look like it belongs inside the leaf. So I'm going to adjust the brightness, contrast, the exposure, the vibrancy, all that stuff until it is as closely related in terms of color as best as I can. If you want me to go into detail on specifically how I edited this photo, I can make a separate video, or any other photo, whatever, just to use the options. However, I'm not going to go into major detail. I'm just letting you know that's the goal here. Okay, so now for the final step, that is cleaning up the leaves. So I use a few methods in this particular video to get rid of the colors. The reason why I use the color range tool is because it can select the colors that I want, or a specific color. If it's like this green here that's surrounding the leaves, it's like kind of like a flat color, so I can select that color and then go in with my quick selection tool again and pretty much deselect whatever I don't want to delete. And then once I've deselected whatever I don't want to delete, I just press the delete button, or you can go over it with your erase tool and it will delete the color. So now you can see the black cover actually coming through properly, and it looks like the leaves are on top of it. So I'm gonna just keep doing that around the entire image, and then, add the shadows. So pretty much, if all else fails with the color range option, you can actually go in with your pen tool and just kind of make a more precise cutout of the leaves. And then you want to go up into your options that's in the toolbar at the top and press selection. And then after you select selection, then backspace to delete all of that selection that you didn't want. So now we're adding the shadow. Pretty much it's just a regular black shadow that I added by double clicking on the top layer of leaves. So that would have been the new layer that we created when we duplicated the leaves layer. And I added a drop shadow, and then I just dragged the shadow itself so that I could change the angle and change the opacity of the shadow, so it looks more realistic. And this is our final photo.